Hey, good morning, guys. It's only about 7:30 here, and one of the children is up, and I'm talking kind of quiet because I want Cam to stay sleeping. But yeah, I just thought I'd do a little video this morning about this puzzle we found yesterday. Payton really seems to like it, and kind of a challenge for her because she's only 2, so we like capturing these types of moments on film, and that way we can go back and look at them all the time, because you know what? She won't be this little forever. That's how you lock it back together.
Wait.
Show me how you lock it.
Wait
Oh, nice job. Okay.
You don't open it like this.
Mm-hmm.
And then closed.
Gotcha. What about the barn doors? The fence. Can you get the fence open? Oh, that was easy. What's in there?
Big house.
Those aren't cows. What are those? Let me see again. Show me those again. Those aren't cows. What are those?
Cows.
No, they're not. They're horses.
Horses.
Horses. You're silly.
Big horse.
Mm-hmm. Maybe that's the daddy horse.
And that's the little horse.
And that's the little horse. Okay, you got one left. What's in the treasure chest?
Don't know.
You don't know, huh? What is it?
Golden.
Gold! Is that a treasure? What would you buy with all that treasure? What do you think you'd buy? Anything?
Daddy.
That's right. You give it to people that need it.
You start at the big end like this. There yours. Yeah.
Yep, we got that at a yard sale, huh? Can you open any more? What about this one here? How does he open?
I can't do this.
Oh, here. That's pretty hard. There we go. Can you do that one? What's in there?
Cow.
How does the cow go?
What's this? What's this, Daddy?
That's a chicken. How does the cow go?
Moo.
Moo. Yeah, you're right. Okay, shut the doors and lock it back up. Can you lock it back up? It's kind of tricky, huh? Oh, it's stuck. There you go. Now try. See if you can get it. Oh, good job. Okay, what about another one? Do you want to do the windows? What's in the windows? Oh, be strong. You can do it. Push. Oh, you did it. You're so strong, Payton.
Bird.
Oh,
Hey, Daddy.
yeah.
He didn't want the tree, and he's down.
He's down. He didn't want to be in the tree. Nope.
Now he's in the tree.
Now he's in the tree. Is that one pretty tricky? Oh, you did it. Okay, what about this one? What's behind that guy? Can you do it? That's called a lock. Can you say lock? Yeah. What is it?
And the cat, and the bird, the dog.
And a dog. Yeah, how's the doggy go?
Woof woof.
Woof woof, that's right.
I can't do it,
Oh,
Daddy.
you can. Yes, you can.
No.
You show Daddy you can do it, okay? Are you trying to open it or close it? Okay, let Daddy help. Okay. Excuse you, what do you need to say? Excuse you, yes.
You don't remember.
I don't remember how to work that one, Payton. How does that one work?
It's this.
Oh, good job. Can you open up any of the other ones? Oh, good job. Who's in there?
Toys.
Toys. Hey guys, yeah, we picked up this puzzle at a yard sale yesterday for only $1. And it's Melissa and Doug. These puzzles are pretty neat. They make some nice stuff. And I thought I would let my 2-year-old try. And she did them all. She did really good. Did you do good? You did good, huh? Good job. High five.
I did the toolbox.
High
and
five.
the trailer. And the door. And that.
You did them all.
And that.
Uh-huh.
And that. And that.
Can you give me a high five? Too slow. Okay. Haha, that's a good girl.
High five. This
What? You just joked me?
High
Did you
five.
joke me? Are you gonna joke me? Okay.
Five.
Ah. Anyway, guys, we do this channel mostly to make memories. You're happy or Poppy?
Poppy.
Poppy, okay. You're Poppy.
So you like Branch.
I'm Branch, okay.
Hey, Branch, are you mad?
No, I'm not mad. Are you, Poppy? No? Okay. Anyway, guys, we do this channel mostly for fun and to make memories of our kids, so I just want to put this out there so that way we'll have memories of this little girl doing a puzzle. Payton, can you say bye?
Bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoy your Sunday.